Hello everyone, I have taken over Nina's channel. I'm Nina's cat Misa, and in this video I'll show you how to draw a proper cat because cats are the coolest animal on the planet and Nina sucks at drawing cats. So I will show you how to do it instead. Let's begin. For this video, I'll be using a Staedtler 2B pencil and no eraser because cats don't make mistakes. Only humans make mistakes. I've seen it. You make a lot of them. It's actually embarrassing for you guys how much you suck at drawing compared to cats. Cats draw a lot when you're not home. First of all, I'm sketching the shape of the most beautiful animal in the world. I know humans are kind of stupid, so pay attention. Next, I'm drawing the eyes. Did you know that cats have superior night vision to you humans? We can see everything, whereas humans just fumble around in the dark like morons, stepping on Lego and other painful, clumsy stuff. Then I'm drawing the nose and the mouth, and while I'm doing it, take a look at my Insta. There's no need for me to tell you to follow, because if you're cool, you already did. And then the rest of the drawing is just drawing all the beautiful stuff that makes a cat. Look at how soft our fur is, and our whiskers are like ninja tools, while our claws are deadly AF. And by the way, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell if you're cool, of course. And also, I think you should comment M for Misa in comments, like right now. Go ahead and do it, meow. And while I finish this awesome drawing, check out my Instagram. Meow, 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 meow. So guys, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you comment and subscribe, I may take over the channel again someday. See you soon guys. Bye!